First try, service all-women circumnavigation sailing expedition, Samundra Pradakshina. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh initiated Samundra Pradakshina 2025 at Mumbai's Gateway of India. It signifies the crew is composed of 10 women officers from the various armed services. The vessel, the Indian Army sailing vessel, ISV Triveni, measures 50 feet. Duration is approximately 9 months, expected return by May 2026. Distance is around 26,000 nautical miles, about 48,000 kilometers. Direction, the course heads east. The expedition will cross the equator twice. Major gates to navigate. This expedition champions women empowerment as the first naval mission solely led by women. Try, service cooperation reflects the push for integrated theatre commands among services. The mission bolsters India's maritime legacy, aligning with the Sagamala and Sagar Security and Growth for All in the Region initiatives. It highlights India's shipbuilding capabilities using an indigenous yacht. The expedition enriches long-distance navigation skills and blue-water naval training. It reinforces India's reputation as a burgeoning maritime force internationally. The mission offers a chance to evaluate seamanship and survival skills under extreme circumstances. It encourages increased female participation in STEM fields and defense careers. In 2017-18, ISV Tarini marked the Indian Navy's first all-women circumnavigation voyage. Navika Sagar Parikrama in 2023, ISV Tarini succeeded in a transoceanic race from Cape Town to Rio, with an all-women crew. By 2025, Samundra Pradakshina aims to be the first tri-service and worldwide all-women circumnavigation